residential HVAC dealers, there are your average Joes, and there are your Comfort Pros. Daikin Comfort Pros are special, a cut above the stereotypical heating and cooling guys. We also believe you can easily recognize the differences. A professional, trustworthy appearance tells you that a Daikin Comfort Pro is part of a team that's held to a higher standard. A flexible, informative approach to the purchase decision eases the buying experience. Timeliness and a focused work ethic go a long way with homeowners like you. When you're eager to get your indoor comfort back, little touches that show respect for your home make a big difference too. And finally, there's the peace of mind, knowing your Comfort Pro's work is backed by the Daikin Comfort Promise. These qualities and many more are what you can expect from a Daikin Comfort Pro.